Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is just simply something quick. So the other day I was on Temu, or actually my grandmother sent me the link for me to go in and basically click her link, and it gave her like a reward towards her Temu. By the way, y'all, welcome to Vlogtober day 18, where I am just simply going to be explaining to you all how this works. So I was in my messages the other day. My grandmother needed like a quick person to click on the link to give her $1.50, or like gives anywhere like up to $1 to $2, having 8 to 10 items and only having to pay $30. I'll take that. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into this video and open it and see what it is I got out of the haul. Okay, so mostly I tried to base everything off of like things that I really wanted, or surrounding around like fall or Halloween. So first in my Temu haul for today is this, and it is a shirt that simply just says spooky vibes. It has bats and a pumpkin and cheetah. Y'all know I love my cheetah. So anyways, I have plenty of things that I can wear with this shirt. I did get this in a 2XL just because I want to make sure that I'm actually able to fit it. So moving right along. Next, I have another shirt, as you guys can see here. So here we go. This is actually like a sweatshirt type of shirt that I can wear. It looks like, I don't think it's really see-through because I can't see the camera, but this is just something that I can wear in the fall. It has orange, cheetah, and black. So not only like the Halloween colors, but like I said, it has that cheetah in it. And I have orange sandals I can wear with this up until it gets cold. And then of course, I have black shoes and cheetah. So really, really cute. In the front, you guys can see that there is a zipper. And it goes like that. So I like how it's like that material at the bottom that, you know, is gonna like cuff under something. So I really like that. All right, so down in here as well, I also got this package right here. These are some teacher earrings. I will take it out to show you guys the actual product up close. So these are just some cute rainbow teacher earrings. This is what they look like on the back. It is just simply something really, really cute that I thought I needed for whenever I wanted to wear them. Okay, y'all, so this looks like a sweatshirt again. A sweatshirt, when I say sweatshirt, I'm thinking of like something with the hood. I'm thinking of something that, you know, like I can wear as like a light fitted shirt, but it's gonna keep me you know, a little more whatever, warm type of thing. So like I said, with it being fall, I did buy this. It's fall, y'all, and it has the same thing on the back, and on the front there is a hood, and then there is the strings that I can tie it. So here is the whole sweatshirt or shirt, whatever you would like to call it, and it does have the pockets in the front along with the black and orange plaid, and then of course that cheetah piece once again. Okay, so here we go with another shirt. I did choose to get this shirt right here. This is something that I will be wearing within the next few days to the month, because as I'm recording this, nope, it's not October yet. I'm just preparing myself. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. It looks like it has like bleached, but it's not. It's actually just the way that the shirt is. So really cute. Like I said, this is in a 2XL because I did not want to buy something and it runs small and I'm not able to send it back. Next on my haul, I end up getting these shoes. So these are a size 9, which is my size. And so these are just some really cute and comfortable little, I can't even, like loafers. I don't know if that's what people call them. That's what I kind of call them, but they literally look just like this. The front has the shoestring, but you don't tie it. You literally just slip your foot right in. I'll show you guys that here. But they are really adorable. They have the sister's hair on them. I'll try to show you guys up close and personal. Like I said, just a cute little simple shoe. Trying to build up my Hocus Pocus collection. That way next year I'm able to wear all of these great items. And so with that being said, the next few items are just simply earrings, right? Where I knew I needed some new earrings for work, to kind of like, I like getting the kids' attention with my earrings. You know, they love them too. So I did grab this pack right here. I think that there is quite a few in here. So it looks like I have I Love Art style earrings. This one says Teach, which is really good because I can wear this in the winter. I have a Mama Bear pair, which clearly I can wear anytime, anywhere. Pencil earrings. I also have some colored pencil earrings that say Teacher Life. Some regular pencil earrings. Let's see. These earrings say They See Me Gradin', They Hatin'. This is just like from a song from back in the day, with the flare pin, as you guys can clearly see. I honestly think that I'm gonna gift these to Skylar's teacher, just so she can have some earrings. She's very stylish. And then we have these like pink cheetah pencil ones. Sprinkle Kindness Like Confetti. These are really adorable. And then I also have just some Be Kind ones that are white, and then the regular pencil with like a red eraser on the end. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 packs of earrings. Who can beat that? So I definitely will give like a pair of the pencil earrings along with these to Sky's teacher, just as a gift. I like to do it like every 2 weeks. So I have those, and then I have another pack of earrings here. This one comes with a 8 count of earrings, which I adore. So it looks like we have like some like school utensils in this earring. I like how it's just already on the wood and printed. We have some rainbow earrings right here. These are the markers or crayons, and on each side it's 3 different colors. So on one it's red, orange, yellow. On the other one it is green, blue, and purple. We have some pencil, paper, and apple earrings. I also have just some regular pencil earrings like this that say Grow with some flowers. We have some book earrings that it's a bookshelf with books on them. I think that would be really cute for my boss. And then I have the teacher earrings. Clearly I had already got these the other day from my grandmother, and it came with my shirt. So you guys have probably already seen that by now, but I know exactly who to gift these to. Then we have the stack of books in rainbow. I think that these are really adorable. And then we have these that say math, art, and reading. I'm not sure who I could gift those to. And then we have the chalkboard that says ABC with the pencil and a apple. Really adorable. So that's what came in that pack. And then let's see if I have anything else in here. Okay, so this next package is, like I said, I'm trying to keep it in the theme of Hocus Pocus. So I did get a 3-pack of the Hocus Pocus. Oh, it's actually 4 pieces. It's a full set, which was what I wanted. I thought I ordered the 3 because I was just trying to hurry up and place the order. But in this pack comes the bath mat that just reads, "It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus." And then here is the toilet cover. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. So it has this part on the back where you can just put it over the top of the toilet, which is amazing. Notice how the back of it has like the little buttons so that it won't slide. And then I also have the rug right here to like get out the shower on. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, all 3 sisters heads, and then it says what it says. The 4th piece that came with it is the actual shower curtain, and I know that like me sitting down doing this video, you are not going to be able to see it, so I'm going to insert some videos here of me actually putting it up. But it does come with the pieces to put it up in the shower just in case like you don't have any. So it looks like this is 3, 6, 9, 12 pieces, and then the actual shower curtain itself is right here. Last but not least, down in my bag is something for Christmas. I have been wanting to find a shirt to get ready to get started for Vlogmas in. So yes, I will be doing Vlogmas. I did Vlogtober and I will be doing Vlogmas. I definitely want to push myself to do it each year because it is fun, and it's also a great way to share ideas as well as like recipes, things to do in Vlogmas, as well as like just places to go, things to do with your families, things to do with your kiddos. I love sharing all of those type of things. So I got me a shirt that, like I said, once again looks bleached, but it's not. It's just the way the shirt is already made. I bought this shirt. It says "Shimmy Shimmy Cocoa What?" So I think it's really adorable, and I can't wait to wear it. This is a XL, not a 2XL, so I think that this is definitely gonna fit. Like I said, I find it really, really adorable, and I love the fact that like it has the gingerbread man, the candy cane, the gingerbread house, and then the cup of hot cocoa. So if you've enjoyed this video, I hope that you all will please give it a thumbs up. I hope that you all will consider hitting that subscribe button down below and joining my channel to see what other type of videos are coming out the rest of Vlogtober. And also comment down below what are things that you all like to order from Temu. There will be a link in my description box just in case you guys want to go over and order. It will give you a certain amount off, which is like 30% off of your first order if you're a first-time user. If you are a returning user, you can use the second link that is in my description box so that you all can start trying to get items for free as well. You might have to pay a little bit, and that's totally fine because it's well worth it. I spent about $215 to $250 on this order, except I did not have to do that. I actually saved that money and only had to spend $30. So I'm really thankful for that, and thank you Temu for that offer so that I could put together this video to show people what it is I bought for fall for my home and for myself. So I hope that you all enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. So I hope to see you all for Vlogtober day 19 tomorrow. I have a really cool recipe that I can't wait to share with you.